Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make money with Etsy. So first things first, you need to choose your niche. If you want handmade products to sell, digital downloads, vintage items, craft supplies, picking a specific niche helps you to stand out and attract loyal buyers. Once you have it, and then you can go back to Etsy and then research the market. You can use the Etsy search bar to see trending keywords. So you can check best selling shop with, let's just say, shoes or bags, and then look at customer reviews to see what buyers love or wish was better. Now it's about time to create your product. So if you want your bags or if you want bags to sell, then you should focus on quality, uniqueness, and branding. You can create high demand products like aesthetic bags and so on, or vintage bags. Everything is up to you. Now, I strongly suggest also to use Canva in order for you to attract more buyers. Let's just say if you want to post this picture to your Etsy shop, don't just post it right away. You need to add some creative designs. For example, this one. So I created an account on Canva. Now I have selected a design and I'm going to replace this picture with my product. Then I'm going to add something here. I can edit the font size, the font, the effects, color, and so on. So once done, then I can download this and then post this to my Etsy shop. In this way, I can attract more buyers. That's just to post the item right away. So here, once you have your products, you can set up your Etsy shop. So you can choose a memorable shop name, add a professional logo and banner, and write a compelling shop description that shows your story and values. Okay, so you just have to simply create a shop. Once you have your shop here on your Etsy, then you can now set your price. You can promote your shop. You can share it to Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, Etsy ads, and other platforms. After that, you can track and improve so you can use Etsy shop stats to see what's working. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.